Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and here in this device we've got two different options, so 1080p and 4K. We can also change the frames per second. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, which means that right now your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.